How to deposit money in Bybit. Start by opening the Bybit app on your phone. Once the app is open, look for the Assets tab at the bottom right of your screen and tap on it. In the Assets section, tap on Deposit to begin adding funds to your account. You'll see an option to buy with USD. Tap on it. In the top right corner, there's a small button where you can select which cryptocurrency you want to buy. Tap on it and choose USDT from the list. Now, type in how much money you want to spend on USDT. The app will automatically show you how much USDT you'll get for your money. Once you've entered the amount, tap Next to move forward with your purchase. You'll see a few payment options. Tap on Bank Card and then tap Deposit to use your credit or debit card. Fill in your card details as requested. Make sure to enter everything correctly, then tap Continue. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the deposit. This might involve confirming your payment or receiving a verification code. And that's a wrap. Your deposit is complete and you're ready to start trading on Bybit. If you found this guide helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you next time.